what is this?
In Arabic,
Yeah.
it's Chebakia.
Yeah?
And this is Tamara.
Okay.
And this is Harira.
Okay.
Harira.
Yeah.
And this is Msemen. Msemen with العز والعز.
Okay. And we're gonna try it.
And this is tea
And this is tea.
with mint. And look to the
I don't know if she wants me to record her, so I
to
won't.
prepare the tea.
Yeah.
We make the mint
Yeah.
and sugar, and we turn it back to
Do it again.
and the second time, yeah, and should be more higher for this white mousse. That's what the
Beautiful.
This is the last time.
No, this is the last time, guys.
So we will finish. When you will drink it, you need to more higher. Yeah.
Look at that pour. Amazing.
And now it's ready to drink.
Okay. It's hot. Okay, guys. Delicious. 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 This right here has so much sugar that you'll explode, and it's delicious. And I love it. Like these, they look like ears, and I love it. It's so good. Ah. Oh.
What about this?
That is delicious. It's full of honey. It's so good. Eat up.